Experience the thrill of a breathtaking helicopter ride toward the iconic Mount Fuji. Soaring above the picturesque Japanese countryside, you'll be captivated by the stunning views, culminating in the majestic sight of the mountain itself. After landing safely, brimming with excitement for the next adventure. You'll make a stop at Ebisuya, a charming country villa that beautifully blends 1930s Japanese ambiance with modern comforts. Originally built by Japanese merchants in the heart of the Minobu Buddhist enclave, the villa has been carefully renovated to preserve its historic structure and furnishings. It even features an excellent cafe, perfect for a moment of relaxation. From there, the journey continues with an incredible scenic hike up the mountain. Visitors can experience the same pilgrimage as Buddhist practitioners in their traditional attire. And they can receive special prayers in the temple at the mountain summit. To crown the experience, you have the rare privilege of participating in their serene prayer service, a truly unforgettable moment.